This faceless, fact-based YouTube channel is getting up to 5 million views every month, and they make between $1,000 to $20,000 each month by creating and uploading short videos. The interesting part is that all of this is done by artificial intelligence. Here's an example video. Even though it doesn't have much value, it's funny, relatable, and easy to share. It has received 177,000 likes and 1,400 comments. And today I'm going to explain how I managed to create 350 YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes. I used a tool called Canva and took advantage of the power of free AI tools to automate the process. Stick with me until the end to learn the process better. The first AI tool that I used is called ChatGPT. So, what I am going to do is, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to come up with some quotes, and I want it to come up with my style. When I asked ChatGPT if it could help me with this, it said that it could indeed assist me in creating quotes in the style that I mentioned. I was excited to see what it would come up with. Once I had gotten ChatGPT ready, I asked it to create 3 quotes that were similar to the one I provided. I wanted each quote to have 2 parts. In the first part, I wanted the quote to say, "Opportunities don't happen." And in the second part, it should say, "You create them." And you can see that ChatGPT generate 3 quotes that match the style I mentioned. Each quote had 2 parts, just like I asked for. For example, the first part said, "Success isn't found." And the second part said, "You carve your own path to it." Brilliant. Next, I decided to ask ChatGPT to create some quotes related to motivation, success, and goals. My intention was to target young individuals who aspire to transform their lives and achieve success. I requested an example quote for each theme, with each quote divided into 2 parts. And just see, ChatGPT provided me with an example quote for each of the themes I mentioned. Moreover, it split each quote into 2 parts, which was truly impressive. Now, I had a new request for ChatGPT. I wanted it to categorize each quote in a table format. The table should have different sections based on the themes, such as motivation facts, success facts, and goals facts. In the table, the first part of each quote should be placed in the respective first part column. And similarly, the second part of each quote should also be placed in the corresponding second part column. After making the previous request to ChatGPT for categorizing the quotes into a table, now you can see that it successfully organized all the quotes in a tabular format. It arranged them based on their respective themes, allowing for easier navigation and for better understanding. Now, I asked it to provide me with more quotes in the same style. For the purpose of creating this video, I just requested 10 additional quotes. However, you can ask for a higher number, such as 300 or more, depending on your requirements. Now just see, ChatGPT generated 10 new quotes, each one maintaining the unique style and essence I desired. Now to organize and store these quotes conveniently, I suggested using either a Google spreadsheet or an Excel sheet. This way, all the quotes could be collected and easily accessed for future reference or usage. Once you have stored all the quotes in a Google document, just search on Google for a tool called Text Magic. This tool offers a free text-to-speech feature, which means it can convert written text into spoken words using an AI-generated voice. However, if you have some budget available, I recommend using the SpeechLo text-to-speech tool. While it is a premium tool, it produces more natural-sounding voices. Since it is premium and not used by most YouTubers, that's why it reduces the risk of content reuse policies when monetizing content on platforms like YouTube. Now let's go through the process. Copy all the quotes from the Google document and paste them into the Text Magic tool. Then, choose the voice named David, as it provides a more realistic sound. Now just confirm that you are not a robot. Once everything is set, you have the option to play the audio to ensure it meets your expectations. If you are satisfied with the audio, just click on the Download MP3 button. You can easily download the audio file in MP3 format for your use. Now it's time to use Canva to create bulk short videos. Just come over to Canva and search for motivational quotes video templates. You'll find a variety of video templates, but make sure to select the vertical one. Once you find a template you like, click on Customize the template. Now you'll see that the template is ready for you to personalize. Remember, we only need to customize one template, and the rest will be automatically created. Keep in mind that your short video should be between 10 to 15 seconds long. If it's shorter than 10 seconds, you can simply extend the timeline to increase the video's duration. First, copy the text and paste it over here. Then, just change the text to fit a specific video theme, like motivation facts. Then I'm going to change the text animation from typewriter to ascend. Now just copy the first part of the quote and paste it over here. Next, I will change the color of the text to yellow. You can also use your brand color if you have one. Now I want to add a text background over here. Change the color to black and make it 50% transparent, and add some roundness over here. Alright, it looks great. Copy the text again and drag it down. Open the spreadsheet file, copy the second part of the quote, and paste it here. Now here we need to set the duration of the first part as 5 seconds. So right-click on the first part of the quote and click on Show Timing. It will open up the text bar on the timeline, drag it from the right edge to adjust it to 5 seconds. Now, in the same way, adjust the timing of the second part. Now, click on the Edit Video button and then click on Adjust tab, increase the brightness and contrast a little bit, and set the vignette to 100. That way, it will create a central focus on the viewers. Now let's click on Preview and see what the video looks like. It looks good, right? So, our video template is ready. We can now automate the process of inserting the quotes. To automate, click on Apps from the left sidebar, and in the search box, type Bulk Creates, then click on this icon. Now Canva gives you two options. One, you can upload a CSV file, or you can enter data manually. Click on Enter Data Manually. A pop-up will open with a table. Click on Clear Table at the bottom left. Now copy all the rows from the table along with the column titles such as Theme, Part 1, and Part 2, and paste them here. Now click on the Done button. Now it's time to connect the theme, Part 1 and Part 2 text boxes with the table data. Just select the theme, right-click on the mouse, hover on Connect Data, and then connect it with the theme column. In the same way, select the first part, and then connect it with the first part column, and the second part with the second column. Once done, move the second part text box back to the center. To make sure there are no errors, you should see these check marks. Now click on the Continue button, and then click on Generate Pages. And here are all of your shorts which are created automatically. The only problem right now is that all the video backgrounds are the same. If you want, you can easily change the video background. Simply click on the Elements tab, search for Background, and click on the Video tab. Then select the video and drag and drop the video to the timeline, and it will be changed. That way you can change all the video backgrounds within minutes. Now to set the voiceover, click on Upload, then upload the voiceover file. Once it is uploaded, simply drag and drop the audio and adjust it according to the timeline. You can easily convert it into parts by right-clicking on it and selecting Split Audio. So this is how you can generate hundreds of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, as well as TikTok videos automatically. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.